Okay guys, this is a video on how to fix code P1259 vtec system malfunction. I think that it's a bad gasket that I have. Since you can see right here that it's all oily on the vtec solenoid gasket, which is down here. You just need to unplug these two little wires and this one. And then the vtec solenoid will be held by 3 of these. 2 on the passenger side and 1 on the driver's side. They're 10mm and they're pretty tight. So this is the vtec solenoid right here. As you can see, there's where the 3 10mm bolts go in. Once you take them off, it should come off. Be careful and not drop it, because that's what I did. So you see this is the vtec solenoid gasket. Looks pretty clean, but it's flat, and that's why it's all oily around it. So we're gonna change it right now. Okay, so you can see that this is already brittle. It's just breaking off as you. This is probably because it's really old.
Yeah, you need a knife.
We're gonna need to pry this open. So right now we're cleaning the vtec solenoid with some degreaser, so we can make sure that if this was the problem, or if this wasn't the problem, we could see it like accumulate some oil around it, and that way we can know that it's bad again. The vtec gasket. Okay, so before you put it in, you have to oil it up so it doesn't go in dry.
That's what she said.
It's really hard to mess this one up. The filter goes right here and it goes like this. Make sure it's in there. Okay, so we just got done tightening back the vtec solenoid. Make sure you tighten it up. It's about to 106 inch-pounds of torque. And then connect all the wires. Make sure it's all said and done, and it's time to see the end results if it fixes my problem.